Today we're going to be making chocolate covered bananas. So all I did was we got this kind of chocolate, and you just follow the instructions and melt it. And then go ahead and it's a good idea to freeze your bananas, have them peeled and halved, and put on a stick already, and freeze them that way so they kind of stick, so they don't get stuck in your chocolate. And then you go ahead and just smash it around in the chocolate, and then when you're done putting them in the chocolate, then you can go ahead and stick them in the refrigerator until the chocolate is set. Okay friends, so after our bananas have sat in the fridge for about like an hour and a half and set, this is the end product.